Good morning, I guess. What are we doing today?
We're actually filming the second part to the first part of this video.
Basically, the video I'm filming right now is just gonna be behind the scenes. I just decided right now.
We're heading out to like, what did you say, Bigelow?
Bigelow, Arkansas, yeah.
Some windy roads out there. Sounds pretty cool. I'll get to actually show you what my car can do.
But yeah, so we're at the car wash right now. We got breakfast earlier this morning. We had to drive all the way out here because this is the only, I guess, self-service car wash.
Shout out BJ's Donuts. You guys have some like really good biscuits.
What'd you say it was?
DJ's Donuts?
DJ's.
Or DJ's Donuts. My bad. But yeah, y'all guys have like some good breakfast.
I guess while I'm out here, I can kind of update y'all on the Civic. I'm not gonna do anything to this car, I think. I don't think there's any reason to. This is my point A to point B car. I'm gonna take this exhaust off for sure. I really don't like this muffler that's on there. It sounds stupid. It's not needed. It's unnecessary, and I really need to just take it off. I'm just gonna drive it just to drive it. I mean, I paid $1,400 for this thing. Pretty good deal. It's only got 164,000 miles. It gets me to work. I've had it for probably about 3 or 4 months. This thing is rough. But yeah, so we're doing a behind the scenes video. We're at the car wash right now. I'm waiting for these guys. Oh, looks like they're done. Okay, I'm just standing in the parking lot now. Getting hot. It's supposed to be like 76 degrees. I wish I didn't have this freaking cast on, dude. I'm trying to ride my motorcycle so bad. Perfect time to go ride where it's like not 90 degrees at a stoplight. Dude, it's just that perfect temperature. Anyways, we're making our way out to Bigelow, Arkansas. It's gonna be a real good drive. All right, so we just pulled over. We're over here by Lake Maumelle. This is like a really, really nice drive, especially with today's weather and everything. Let me walk down here and give you guys a little view of the lake. First time I came out here, I think, was with my dad and my brothers. We had a really, really old boat. We would take our boat out and just to like get it running and stuff. This is the view right here, guys. Hold on. This would be a good fishing spot. Got a little picnic table right here. Looks like someone had a little fire pit here going a little while ago, but this is the spot, man. And that's like, I don't know, I get excited about lakes. I don't know, good views. I mean, I need to buy a SUV or something and buy me a little flat bottom fishing boat. That'd be sick. But this view is, there's a sick spot in it, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty sick spot.
Kind of wanted to show y'all the spot, and then also we gotta get the camera set up.
Really bumpy. Damn.
Like it so far?
Dude, it's fun. I need to come out here more often.
Yeah.
I know when I'm taking like left turns, right turns, sometimes like the tire will grab the fender and I can feel it in the steering wheel. You know, I mean, it's fine. It's not like ripping through like the rubber or anything. It's just rubbing off, turning into tiny little boogers.
Leave it to me to not explain my camera setup. So here we have a GoPro Hero 5, I believe, hooked up to a lav mic, which is in return hooked up to my wireless microphone setup. And that's pretty much it because gotta keep it simple. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the bell notification. And really quick, I just want to say that 96% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you could, please subscribe. By the end of this year, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. I feel like that's a good number, but I'm confident that we can do more. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, I'll be here, you know what I mean?